Hi everyone, Chelsea here from AHA. Let's check out how to capture early stage concepts on a whiteboard and then convert it into real work. No data reentry needed. Here we are on a whiteboard in AHA where I've been planning my product roadmap, breaking down initiatives into epics and features and mapping it all back to my release timeline. I'm doing this work using AHA shapes. As you can see here, we have a shape for every kind of work record, so I picked what I needed and pulled it right onto my whiteboard. After that, I played around a little bit, moving the shapes where I needed to go and even expanding some of them to create nested hierarchies. So I think that my roadmap's a work of art. I'm ready to get started. Normally, I would need to toggle to another tool, start manually re-entering all of this data. Total drain. I don't have to do that anymore. I can stay right on my whiteboard. So all I'm gonna do is select the activities I'd like to convert, open up this panel here on the right, select AHA Shapes. Notice how everything I selected is automatically checked off in the menu. Make sure I've got the right workspace selected for my initiative, my release, my epic. Check this box at the bottom to convert my connectors, and here we go. Okay, in just a few seconds, my activities, my features, my epics, everything, they're going to shift into living work activities right on my whiteboard. I will be able to interact directly with them, add dates, add ownership. It's done. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, it has a new look. I like it. All right. So these are all real work activities now that I can play around with. I'm going to click into one. All right. Yeah, it is a work record. I can add an initiative. It's already there, a release, an epic, everything carried over. This is pretty incredible. It's literally going to save me hours. Enjoy.